Now the history in La Plage doing 52 hours non-stop DJ, including myself, lost my voice because I haven't slept for 48 hours.
So, good morning mga ka-mindset. We have another exciting guys na vlog natin ngayon, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, sa nakita nyo, nababasa nyo sa title natin ngayon, andito po tayo ngayon mag-party sa La Plage Club. Ayun of course with Dylan Gray.
Hey, 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Dylan Gray. Amira.
I'm pretty sure guys that you would like to know more about this. Nasa loob, ano bang meron, DJ and everything, party. So ano pinintay nyo? Tara, let's! So mga ka-mindset, ito na po yun. We will get to know more about the Plage. Of course, with the help of our very handsome, just like me, Sir Imran! Alright. Sir Imran, you guys, is actually the general manager of La Plage. And he will tell us, La Plage. So, sir, how long have you been working in La Plage Club?
Actually, it's almost 3 years.
3 years.
Since the beginning of La Plage 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
That's good to know. And can you please tell us a brief history of La Plage?
La Plage is meant to be, it's a French word. That means the beach. That's what La Plage is all about. And we are the only pool club in CEBU. Yeah, and we have 4,500 hectare area with a pool and cabanas and sofas. So yeah, it's actually a bar and club.
Very good to know. This is actually my first time, guys. I'm very happy.
First time and not the last time.
Right. Of course, very thankful of the Plage Cebu, of course, Sir Imran. And we're actually here in the first ever history in the Philippines.
There you go.
This is the 52-hour non-stop music festival of La Plage. So this is the first time, sir, that you have this
Exactly.
event.
It's a musical festival of EDM party, just EDM. We got best DJs in the country. Yeah, that's including 26 best DJs, both Manila and Cebu. Yeah, and also we have a guest DJ coming from Poland who has a Guinness World Record title that has been playing for 200 hours non-stop. Meaning that he also doing another history in La Plage doing 52 hours non-stop DJ. Including myself, lost my voice because I haven't slept for 48 hours. So I'm going with the DJs, joining this journey with La Plage.
Alright, okay. Alright, so sir, can you please tell us more about the tickets, how much?
Yeah, actually it's very minimum. A 1-day pass is 500, 2-day pass is 900, and it's consumable 1K. You can eat and drink, and best of all, we are a pool club. There's no club with a pool. You enjoy the pool free of charge. We have pool towers, we have changing area, we have villas where you can enjoy your private pool, which is we charge them like 100K consumable. Yeah.
Alright.
And we also have cabanas, which is we are sitting in a cabana, which is like 15K consumable, good for 10 people. We are good in pizza. We have the best pizza in town. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, for more information, please do not forget to like and follow La Plage Cebu. I'll be putting the FB link page of La Plage Cebu here in our description box.
Our main page is La Plage Club. Yeah, but people tag La Plage Cebu. Yeah. So visit us, laplageclub.com. That's our main web page. You can see all the activities there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So guys, please do not forget, I'll be putting the two FB page links below, guys. And I'm pretty sure that you will like to know more about this, guys. And beat the party this time. Sir Imran, can you please invite our viewers?
Join, guys. We are on the second day. That means we haven't stopped yet. So meaning today is Saturday, tomorrow is going to be Sunday, which is the last day. But we haven't stopped in the morning. It goes until 10 p.m. That's where for 52 hours stops in. But who knows? Could be 54, 55, we don't know. Until the last person survives, like myself, lost the wife, but I still party.
Correct.
Yeah. And you guys as well, yeah?
Yes,
So-
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. With 26 different DJs, guys.
Joining.
Yeah.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what.
So guys, it's actually party that's done with Dylan Gray. Alright. And guys, we would also like to and also Jasmine! Morning! So, this is your first time here in La Plage? This is your first time?
Yep.
And what are you expecting?
Fun!
And alright. And we would also like to thank you, Ma'am Raquel and Sir John from Hyderabad and Rockets Food Park for the drinks, and also the food. Ayun. And also, I would like to thank you, Sir Imran, for letting us vlog the Plage event, guys. And we're going to start. It's about almost 9 plus in the evening. Dylan Gay, what are you expecting here?
Yeah, we're expecting a full party with the foreigner.
Yeah. Alright. So guys, papakita ko sa iyo guys that we're going to start the vlog.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
So guys, actually guys, nakikita nyo kanina we have pinaka-hot and sexy na fire dancers guys. We have Rena and Methany. Ayun. Ayun sa likod din guys, fire dancers din yan. So kumusta naman kayo? Kumusta kayo as a group? Kumusta yung dalawa?
Okay lang po. Enjoy naman dito.
Ayun, enjoy. Pati yung mga tao na-enjoy sa inyo kasi super sexy pa at magaling sumayaw at super hot na hot.
Totoo po yan. Salamat po.
Back na back. Ayun. Back na back. So, how long have you been into fire dancing?
Almost 6 years.
6 years ano?
Yeah.
So, grabe yung training nyo.
Yes.
Boss.
Bata pa kami.
Talaga bata pa kayo. So, is it
Our
run through?
trainer,
sa nag-retrain ng
Okay. So, basically siguro i-transfer your family na nag-train kayo. And hindi lang sa Cebu, but also
lahat. Meron kami sa iba-ibang isla.
talaga.
Na regular din kami.
Pati sa Japan,
Australia!
Australia. Pero
Pascua.
di kayo pwede sa Iceland kasi matutunan natin
Hindi pwede ako doon.
Ayun. Super nakakabilib guys. Nakikita nyo kanina. They're very sexy. At mga macho din nasa likod. Ayun. So guys, the name of their group is
ULF Family. One Love Family.
One Love Family, guys. So I'm pretty sure that maybe you would like to book them and inquire about their yung fire dancing nila and other talents that they do have. Kumakain sila ng apoy. So,
Eat fire. We love to eat fire.
right. So guys, I'll be putting their Facebook page link dito sa description box below. And please do invite our viewers.
Yes, imbentahan kayo para book ng show sa amin. Kasi worth it.
Yes,
Worth it talaga. That's all.
Parang food tray, worth it. Shout out, shout out.
Shout out sa aming leader dyan! Pagpagaling ka na! Marty!
Yeah, the party goes on and on with 26 DJs, guys. All right.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game,
Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ got your shit. I'll give you a drink. I'll take it. Here we go. Wow, what's that? What the fuck? Damn ass shit. Shit, no input. No input. I need some clapping hands. Let's go.
So guys, after the very hot apoy-apoy, ito, pool party! Woo! New Zealand gang! Sobrang saya guys, pumunta na kayo sa La Plage Club, Mandaue po guys. It's actually sa unahan ng Park Mall guys. So guys, we're actually having fun. Dylan, how are you?
Hello! What's up, the mindset?
Sleepy na, sleepy. Sleepy. Ha? Katulgo na ba ka? Sleepy, hindi. Okay ka lang ba? Okay lang, alright. And the party goes on and on. It's already 11 or 12. In a minute, we do have a lot of activity, guys. Of course, this would be very impossible without our official photographer, videographer with Boss Pogi para ako, Martin. Alright. So, kumusta naman, boss? Ito yung team nila, guys. Alright. We will be very thankful, guys. They're actually the official photographer and videographer of the Plage CEBU Club. And how are you doing naman?
Okay. Medyo pagod na.
Pagod. Pero enjoy naman.
2 days na yung event. Enjoy naman.
Alright.
Yung tulog.
Yes, alright. Pero laban lang, laban. Okay.
Pagkatapos, editing naman.
Correct. So actually, they've been covering the first day, second day. You will also be here by tomorrow?
No,
Di na.
last day na ngayon.
This will be their last day, guys. So abangan yung maybe advertisements sa La Plage, guys. And guys, please do not forget, if you have any photography or videography, guys, please do also like and follow their FB page. It's
Page ko is Flicker Point Production.
okay, production. Ayan. So the link will be provided in the description box, guys.
Please also don't forget to like and subscribe JmT Mindset.
Yeah!
Please like and share the best Facebook page. Just
JmT
JMT
Mindset.
Minecraft. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you very much for coming.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. GM